Hey everyone, welcome back to Wayholic. If you have ever wondered, is my Apple Watch cellular or GPS? This video will clear all your doubts. Let's quickly see how to check if your Apple Watch is cellular capable or Wi-Fi only, step by step.
First things first, if you're buying a new Apple Watch, simply check the box packaging. It clearly mentions whether the watch is cellular or GPS. If you're buying a second-hand Apple Watch, ask the seller for the original box so you can verify it. But if the box isn't available, don't worry. You can still find out whether your Apple Watch is cellular or GPS using a few simple methods. First, open the watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on My Watch. If you see an option to set up cellular, or if there's already a mobile plan showing, congratulations, your Apple Watch is a cellular model. If you don't see any cellular settings at all, that means it's a GPS only model. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's check directly on the Apple Watch. Press the digital crown button, go to settings. If you see options for add a plan or your carrier name, then again, it's cellular capable. If that menu isn't there, it's just a Wi-Fi GPS model. You can also swipe up or from the control center. If there's a green dot icon or antenna bars, it's a cellular model. Another quick way, look at your watch's digital crown. If it has a red ring around it, that's a sign of a cellular model on most Apple Watches. Or, if you want to be 100% sure, open the watch app, General, About, find the model number. Search that number on Apple's official website. It'll tell you exactly whether it's a GPS or GPS plus cellular. Even if your Apple Watch is cellular capable, remember, it still needs to be compatible with your carrier. For example, a US model may not work with Indian networks, so always check your region's carrier support page before activating the plan.
So now you know how to check if your Apple Watch is cellular model, GPS only or cellular capable but not activated yet. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, drop your Apple Watch model in the comments and subscribe to Wayholic for more simple and practical wearable tech guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.